Pursell Agri-Tech has designed an extremely thin coating while being adaptive to soil and weather conditions. And with the state-of-the-art modular design, production facilities can be located closer to the farmers' fields, which lowers investment costs, enables in-market customization, and reduces shipping and handling. Our focus is simple: to help meet the growing food demand by improving fertilizer efficiency, increasing yields, and not wasting valuable nutrients to environmental loss. We believe that healthier food means healthier people, and that nurturing our crops and soils with better, more sustainable fertilizer solutions will help drastically reduce malnutrition.